Hi, in this video, let me show you how to reset the network settings on your HP laptop. In case you're having issues with your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this is a great thing to do. So first thing, we're going to click on the Windows logo, the Start button, select Settings. Then on the left side, select Network and Internet. Advanced Network Settings. And you're going to have network reset. Click on network reset. You're going to have a reset now button. And as it says here, this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. You might need to reinstall other network software afterwards, such as VPN client software, because you'll be logged out of your Wi-Fi and other Bluetooth settings. So I'll press reset now. Are you sure you want to reset? Of course, so I'll press yes. To make this reset work, we have to reboot the computer. If you don't reboot it, it will reboot by itself in 5 minutes. So I will do it manually. I'll press close. I'll press again the start button, select the power option, and I'll press restart. After doing the restart, well, the network settings will be fully resetted. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.